Hey, what's up guys? We just got our new 2020 27-inch iMac with a few upgrades, so let's get into this unboxing. There's one thing you want to keep is definitely the box. Just in case you ever think about moving around with your iMac, this will be the best thing to move it around with. First thing, got the keyboard. Got the mouse. Got some specs, got a microfiber cloth, specs, got some stickers, got a USB cord, power cord, Before we power it up though, I've got some RAM that I want to install, which I'm going to show you guys as well. I didn't buy my RAM from Apple, I got it from Amazon, which is, I advise you guys to do the same thing because the prices are definitely way different. If you want to save some money, so definitely go that route. Right above the power input, you're going to see this little button right here. Just press down on it. And put the door back. Alright. That's just once, if you buy a RAM ahead of time, that's just one thing you're going to want to do before you boot up your computer. Back, we've got a headphone jack, SD card slot, 4 USB-A ports, 2 Thunderbolt ports, and of course, an Ethernet port. Well, I think I got everything set up, so let's go ahead and reboot. First, let me take off all this plastic. Give it a second so it can boot up. Hey guys, so finally got everything turned on, and want to go ahead and check, see if I installed the RAM correctly. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go in the top left hand corner, belt this Mac, hit the memory. Oh, there you have it. Everything was set up right. It shows you the different RAM slots. So in total, I got a total of 40 gigs installed, 40 gigs of RAM. So definitely happy with that, and I'm ready to put this computer to work. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. The different iMac 27-inch 5K 3.8 gigahertz processor, 40 gigs of memory installed. The graphics card is a AMD Radeon Pro 5500 XT, 8 gigs. So there you have it. So I'm definitely excited about this. I definitely need the upgrade, and thank you guys for watching.